Hello there, I'm your host Marlon Fernando, Senior Investment Advisor, Forex Trader, Asset Wealth Management. Yes. A lot of people ask me how I have made such a fortune out of trading. Well, the thing is that there was investors who were trusting me to give their money to me and to generate a certain amount of money for them as well as for me. So there, don't please don't think that I started this with $10 and ended up in um, good status, right? But there was investments, there was losses that I had to bear, wins. Then again, I had to learn from those and these strategies. So this is after doing all this is why for the beginners they ask me to always make a video or just give them online lessons, which I don't charge for online lessons. And I mean, I don't have the time to go online for online lessons. So basically, I put out a video already about this the strategy that I use personally, which is my own strategy. Yeah. And for the beginners, and I've told about this certain bar where it variates from green to red in certain things like expert option, IQ option, because it's easier. It's actually visually it's good. Visually it is good and it doesn't complicate you. So basically, please don't think that I made all this from $10. It's like which like all of this IQ option and then again expert options is that you can just put $10 and just become a million. No. Well, it doesn't happen that way. It takes time, and it you need to know where to invest, right? So when even if you were to get your investments, so unless you're willing to take the risk, just don't risk and reward is, it's the same. And so don't just follow strategies. There's this martingale strategy. There's numerous strategies, but I have given a thing which I followed my lifelong, and which I actually, yeah, showed in video previously, or I mean, I don't know, I'll be showing it in the coming video. Yeah. So that being said, secondly, you need to have patience. That is called the financial discipline. Yeah. Financial discipline is, when to and what to do with the money. So basically, in this certain trade, risk is something that you would expect. So whatever the strategy that you put up, as I mentioned in one of these videos before, there's this theory called the random walk hypnosis. I hope you can see this screen. Yeah, random walk hypnosis, which is a proven theory. It's a proven theory that stock markets are not. It can go up, down, left, right. It is random, totally random sometimes. So even the most educated experts can't even predict this 100%. So it has to be like in the range of 80, so that always it is like you have to be ready to lose. And sometimes I see a lot of people, I mean, they ask me, so how do you like win, and this I've lost so much, a lot of money, and every time I lose I just get very upset and I just withdraw my money. So I have told them, well, when you're trading, you cannot just put in $10 unless you're trading in with one. So if you're putting in some money for this, it needs to be at least 100,000, so that you can separate it into 10, and make bids when it is going up and down on strategies what you think is correct. And I have given a strategy which was kept a secret, that I've never not told, not apparently a secret, but not ever told anyone how this works. So but I've told you guys in this previous video, or I mean this upcoming video, I think next probably. So it's just check in my YouTube channel, so you'll be able to find it. So that strategy actually is where these transparent papers are kept in a stack like this, And yeah, let's start like this, and say this is 8, yeah, 8 a.m, 12, yeah. So from 8 to 12 you monitor every day for a week, and then you know the variations, and then you have 7 papers variating this and that and this and that. So like, variations, right? Yeah, variations, yeah. So then the second week also, when you print it out, it has to be printed in transparent paper so that you see all the lines. So at one point of the day, at that time, certain time, the certain asset or property, I mean whatever the commodity that you deal will be going down, so that when you monitor it the next week as well, you're sure that it is behaving this way, so that you can make sure, and you can place your certain thing, certain amount here, and then go for a winning trade, right? So where are that? So in all and all, finally, uh, investments actually that you invest is 100% shouldn't be on the market, because if there was a big loss, there will be a lot of suffering. If you just have put up a lot of money, and if you made the wrong choices and the wrong decisions, right, and then again it's a loss. Mm. And then there will be a lot of consequences, like you'll have to suffer if you've taken that money on, let's say, loans and or whatever the things, the schemes or whatever, like it has to be paid, and then again you'll have consequences all the time there. No. Yes, right, correct. Yes. So don't put in your entire savings in this. But let me also tell you, nobody ever got rich by saving. They always got rich by investing. And people who actually say that working 9 to 5 doesn't uh, get you anything, well, it does get you a salary which you can save and invest, and then go into your plans. If that life makes you happy, yes, it is your life. So business and trading, and all this commodity trading, real estate, all this asset management is not for everyone, you see, right? Yes, it's not for everyone. So please, you need to um, you need to think twice before making any decisions in the investments. And there are investment companies which actually promise you a larger sum, and actually, as you see, I don't have to say by the names, and it has been defrauding a lot of people, and it's heartbreaking to see. So choose your investments wisely. um, in the next video, I'll give you a couple of um, ways that you can make some extra money, right? Sorry, these are amateur videos, because I haven't had the wanting to put it up in a professional level. I just want to go ahead with these people and just let them know how this should be done. That is all what I need in that is what I intend from these videos. So I mean, I think this is also not very clearly, and I don't know whether, yeah, I'm probably clear. So anyhow, in my next video I will tell you exactly how you can now a lot of people ask me once again about crypto mining and cryptocurrency mining, and then again all these things. So let me talk about that in this other video, because um, as all people ask me about this, there was now in my Twitter and in my there's so many, even Instagram comments, they just ask me how, so I just attend to it and just say this is the thing. So because once again, I didn't make a fortune out of only this, but investments which I made wisely, and it was so many other people who actually kept their trust on me to regenerate money to a certain extent, and give them, and also make a living for me. So it was not that I made something out of nothing. It's something out of something. Okay. all the time. Yeah, you understand, right? Yeah, of course. So I'm gonna end this video. So you guys have a great day. If there's anything, just put it on the comments below. So I'm keeping it simple as possible. You know, simplicity is the key for everything. Yeah. So then I will help you reply you, or else I mean, if you want me to make a video and you know several people tell me yes, then I'll make a video about it. Yes, no problem. All right. Okay. Then you guys have a great day. Marlon Fernando. Thank you, lot. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be gone. So you guys have a great day. I'm Marlon Fernando, investment advisor. Plus, you know, yes. Thanks a lot.